Ferrari. A name that resonates with speed, luxury, and an unparalleled passion for performance. From the streets of Maranello to the most challenging racetracks in the world, Ferrari is more than just a car manufacturer. It's a legacy. Today, we dive deep into the world of Ferrari, exploring its legendary history, groundbreaking technology, and the future of the prancing horse. Ferrari's story began in 1939, when Enzo Ferrari founded Auto Avio Costruzioni. However, it was in 1947 that the first true Ferrari, the 125S, was born. Powered by a V12 engine designed by Gioacchino Colombo, the 125S set the foundation for decades of engineering excellence. The company quickly made its mark in motorsports, dominating Formula One and endurance racing, with legends like Niki Lauda, Michael Schumacher, and Sebastian Vettel bringing glory to the marque. Performance has always been Ferrari's DNA. From the iconic Ferrari F40 to the cutting-edge SF90 Stradale, every Ferrari is engineered to deliver an extraordinary driving experience. The sound of a naturally aspirated V12, the thrill of instant acceleration, and the sheer elegance of Ferrari's aerodynamic design set them apart from every other manufacturer. One of Ferrari's greatest strengths is its ability to blend heritage with innovation. The LaFerrari was a game-changer, combining a monstrous V12 with an electric motor to create a hypercar that redefined speed and efficiency. Then came the 296 GTB, introducing a V6 hybrid powertrain, while maintaining Ferrari's soul-stirring performance. Ferrari's presence in Formula One has been nothing short of legendary. With 16 Constructors' Championships and 15 Drivers' Championships, Ferrari remains the most successful team in F1 history. The battle between Ferrari and its rivals, such as Mercedes and Red Bull, continues to be one of the most thrilling aspects of modern motorsport. But Ferrari is not just about speed, it's about exclusivity. Owning a Ferrari is a statement. Whether it's a limited edition masterpiece, like the Monza SP1, or a track-focused beast, like the fxx-k Evo, every Ferrari is built with the utmost precision and craftsmanship. The Ferrari Prancing, the brand's first-ever SUV, proves that even when Ferrari enters a new segment, it does so in its own unique way. The future of Ferrari looks electrifying, literally. With the upcoming Ferrari EV set to debut soon, the brand is embracing the future while staying true to its core values. Advanced aerodynamics, lightweight materials, and groundbreaking battery technology will ensure that Ferrari remains at the pinnacle of performance, even in the electric era. From the roaring V12S of the past to the hybrid masterpieces of today, and the electric supercars of the future, Ferrari continues to push the boundaries of automotive excellence. It's not just a car, it's a lifestyle, a dream, and a passion that unites enthusiasts worldwide. Stay tuned for more thrilling updates from the world of Ferrari. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for the latest news, reviews, and exclusive Ferrari content. This is Ferrari S.P.A., where speed meets perfection.